This video I'm about to show you guys how to create Major Wallet in Telegram. So first of all, open up your Telegram app, and once your Telegram app is open, here you can see the Major app. Just simply tap on it, and now you have to tap on open Major app, and here you can see the My Major app is start loading. So now you have to tap on Let's Get Started, and here you can see the app is open, and here you can see in the left bottom corner of the screen the reward option. Just simply tap on it, and now you have to tap on private group for holder, and now you have to tap on check your joint balance, and here you can see open wallet in Telegram. Just simply tap on it, and now you can see the wallet is start creating, and here you can see the pop-up for confirmation. Just simply tap on connect, and here you can see the app is successfully connected and created to Telegram. So that's how you can do it, guys. See you in the next video very soon.